Hello friends, I am Vineet Sharma and you all are welcome to our YouTube channel D.M.I.T Test Fact. Friends, we have been making various videos on D.M.I.T, midbrain and other courses in Hindi language for last 12 years. But we have observed that there are many areas within the India, even out of India, where people prefer English language rather than Hindi language. So my dear friends, you would be pleased to know that from 1st of August 2024, you can watch our most of videos on DMIT, midbrain and other courses in English language. So be ready to watch our special videos, valuable videos on DMIT, midbrain and other courses in English language. So friends, we will meet in new video on 1st of August 2024. Thank you very much.